One-handed surgical square knot. You will need two shoelaces with two different colors. Stitch them together at the middle. We have here an object to represent the vessel or ligament you want to ligate. Insert the other end of the string under the vessel. Hold the string at the 1 o'clock and 7 o'clock position, the left hand holding the nearest string, white string, and the right hand holding the farther string, gray string. Cut the nearest string with 3 of your fingers. Put the farther string beside the nearer string. Hook the white string with your left middle finger. Pull the string to the 1 o'clock and 7 o'clock position. Use your right index finger to tighten the knot. Remember that after the first throw, your hand should be left over right with your left hand holding the farther string and right hand holding the nearer string. Make a horizontal letter V with your left hand and put the gray string beside the white string. Hook the white string with your left index finger. Pull the string to the 1 o'clock and 7 o'clock position. Tighten with your right index finger. Remember that after the second row, your hand should be right over left with your right hand holding the farther string and left hand holding the nearer string. Repeat the process. First row, cut, gray string, hook white string, pull, 1 o'clock, 7 o'clock, left over right, pull up, gray string, hook white string, right over left, first row, left over right, second row, right over left,